Hey, we are wondering if we could fly out and land the helicopter by your guys' store and pick up some pies.
Yeah, no problem.
Awesome. Thank you very much. We'll see you in just a few.
Okay, sounds good.
Cool. Time to go eat some pie.
Montgomery Tower, helicopter 505, Echo X-ray at midpole. We'd like to go northeast bound with information. Uniform.
Number 515 X-ray, Montgomery Tower, departure midport at your own risk. Multiple traffic in the south pattern.
Departure pilots on risk, 505 Echo X-ray.
Number 5 X-ray, crossover midfield at 1,000.
Cross midfield at 1,000, 505 Echo X-ray.
I collect money.
Tower 1 able,
Traffic,
helicopter
9
505
o'clock,
Echo X-ray,
high,
eastbound.
less than 1 mile.
Oh, X-ray, eastbound approved traffic overhead is 1,700 climbing.
Over that traffic, eastbound approved, 505 Echo X-ray.
I collect.
Glasgow Tower, helicopter 505 Echo X-ray, depart Montgomery. We'd like to transition northeastbound through the airspace.
Number 505 Echo X-ray, Gillespie Tower, transition approved, Gillespie altimeter 2997.
Transition approved, 2997, 505 Echo X-ray.
I collect money.
Okay, so that's the gravel parking lot. That's large enough. We can be just fine in it. There's a fence.
Warning, terrain, terrain.
Yeah, we'll land in the corner of the gravel.
200. 150. 100. 50.
'Kay.
That was awesome. Perfect spot. Lots of room in here. Now hopefully somebody just doesn't come and park right there. Let's go get some pies though.
I'm so good. Do we actually have some while we're here?
I think they sell by the
Like get a
slice.
slice?
Yeah.
Have a little pie date?
We skipped lunch. Just came straight for dessert, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, no kidding. Maybe they've got some chicken nuggies.
Chicken nuggies!
Yeah.
There is a pretty big thunderstorm moving in right
I
here,
know.
but I don't think we're gonna be here that long. Look at these pies. I'm just gonna have a slice of regular apple. Look at that pie.
I'm gonna come back in and get one of those. Hey,
Oh,
you're missing.
here, let me have that. I forgot my tripod because I was too excited for the pie. All right, shall we? Here's a moment of truth. This is incredible.
Can I try yours?
No. No way.
I'm gonna try it.
So, I don't know if you could hear the lady, but she was saying they've been making pies here since the 80s.
Really?
And they have a location up the street in the town, which they make all the pies here by hand. And then they drive them up there and sell them at the store.
But this is like the factory.
This is the factory,
Like,
but they make everything by hand. And I don't know how many pies. We should ask them. I'll have to ask them. By hand.
Holy cow.
That's
You
incredible.
can definitely taste the love.
Mm-hmm. That was delicious. Wow.
We've had nothing but pastries today.
Should you just say cinnamon ice cream? Are the pies in? Pies are good?
Pies are good.
Pies are good. Okay. All right.
The only thing they don't have is a seatbelt.
Oh, they'll be all right. They're just pies.
Look at those little raindrops on the
Uh-oh. Yeah,
Time to roll.
time to roll. Rain's starting to hit.
Warning, terrain, terrain.
Yeah, just in time, the rain start.
Warning, terrain, terrain.
Just a little bit.
I think we got in there at the perfect time.
I do too. That was fun. Glad we did that.
Yeah, me too.
Those pies are really good.
Those pies are delicious.
Warning, terrain, terrain.
Okay, so now what do you want to do?
We could go out to the coast, I guess, and just do a little buzz.
Head the coastline down?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, we'll just start heading west.
People out hiking.
The autopilot. Heading, altitude. Okay.
How far are we? Carlsbad?
I got no idea.
I think so. Or Escondido.
Water looks really blue.
Yeah, it does, huh?
I should clean the helicopter. Especially while it's over here and 70 degrees versus 115 at home.
I'm gonna go to the mall while you do that.
No, no, no.
I'm gonna go meet up with your mom.
No, no, no.
Okay.
You enjoy the helicopter? You gotta clean the helicopter.
We need to get food first
True.
before we think about doing anything, because I will not last long.
You wanna go back to Payway? That was pretty good last time we had it. Nope, that's a no. So believe it or not, a couple weeks ago, I was flying the coast and we saw 17. That's 1, 2, 7. That was 8. 17. 17 gray white sharks, literally right off the surf of like
This is-
Del Mar
yeah,
and La Jolla.
This is Del Mar.
And I saw one last summer, and I was like, "Holy shit! Like, I have to call this in. Like, there's people in the water." Like, I was like, "What do I do?" So I got on my phone, like Bluetooth into my headset, called it in to like 911 non-emergency, gave them a report, and they're like, "Okay, we'll pass it along." And then we get like another mile up the coast, and I see another one, and another one. And I'm like, okay, well, I can't just keep calling in sharks. And I'm circling around, and people on the beach are like, what are you doing, you know? So, turns
crazy.
out that it's actually really common that a lot of people have no idea that there's a shark 100 yards away from them, like right outside the surf, right outside where surfers are. There's like I said, I counted 17 in one day. All within like a 4 mile or like it's probably like a 5 mile stretch.
I wonder why they're so close to the shore.
And there's a couple theories. One is that they're smaller sharks and they're feeding on stingrays and stuff like that. So they're not much of a threat to people. But either way, if I was surfing and I saw
Stumbled upon
a
one.
great white shark, I would immediately shit my pants. So
I shit my pants.
I just shit my pants. And it's not like the Coast or not the Coast Guard, the
There's one
lifeguards.
right there.
All right, really?
Yeah, really,
See what I'm
really.
talking about? See if you can get a shot of it. I'll
Really?
circle around. I don't know where you saw it at. But they're everywhere. And the lifeguards know it. They're watching them with drones. And they're not really making a big scene out of it, which, you know, it might not be anything worth making a scene out of, but they're there, people. They're definitely there.
They're there.
I don't think it was this far back, was it?
No, you can probably turn around and like go back on course and I'll probably find it. People are all probably freaking out.
You see it? It'll be hard to get a shot with that lens because it's such a wide angle, but
Oh, he's right underneath the helicopter.
is he?
Yeah. Need to go out further.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
He's a good size.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can really dance.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna drop down
Oh,
and I'm
no,
gonna
you're
put him
not.
out. I'm gonna put him out your window.
Don't get too low, Austin.
I'm not gonna get too low. Oh, I lost him already.
I'll find him.
He's
Got
gonna,
him.
got him?
Yeah.
Where's he at? Right below us? Can you see him?
Well, not anymore because the sun. Oh.
Oh
Right
yeah, there he
you
is.
see him.
You see him right here? That's a good size too. He's big. God, that is just. Okay, I'm not gonna keep circling because
Someone's gonna freak out.
yeah, people need to be looking in the water, not about me. I bet we see at least 2 more if we look for them between here and.
I think you're like right on the course of like where they would be, so they might be like right underneath us.
So you're saying Shark Alley? We're in Shark Alley right here.
Yeah. Well, I'm saying like,
I need to scooch out a little farther.
yeah, if I were to see them. I could be wrong also. There's a seal.
Oh.
There's a couple seals.
If you don't believe me, I also posted on Instagram about this summer last year.
Do you think that people wouldn't believe you?
If somebody told me they saw 17 sharks
You'd be
off
like,
the coast
"You're
of San
full of
Diego,
shit."
I'd be like, nah,
Bananas.
don't believe you.
Montgomery report of mission Zulu, 2153 Zulu, 120088, visibility 10, clear. Temperature 26, 2.17, altimeter 2996. ILS runway 28, right approach and use social landing runway 28 left.
Montgomery Tower, helicopter 505, Echo X-ray, 5 miles to the west, inbound for midport with information Zulu.
Helicopter 505 Echo X-ray, Montgomery Tower, left turns, landing midport, be at your own risk, wind 190.10, altimeter 2998, remain south of taxiway hotel at all times.
Left turns into midport, we'll be at landing pad to the risk, remain south of Zulu at all times. 505 Echo X-ray.
And helicopter 5 Echo X-ray, just verify, remain south of taxiway hotel at all times.
Sorry about that, south of taxiway hotel, 505 Echo X-ray.
Thanks, sir.
Block.
$50.
Turbulent coming in here today.
Yeah, a little bit, huh? This is called parallel parking.
Yeah, fighting a lot of turbulence too. God, brutal.
Yeah, it's kind of windy. That explains my terrible landing. At least I'm gonna use that as my excuse. I hope you guys enjoyed this random, all over the place video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.